show you one trick that will come in handy for you when working in your Microsoft PowerPoint slide. Now, without taking much of your time, let's dive in.
Alt plus Shift plus Other key. Now, if you have a list of items in your presentations and you want to rearrange them, what you need to use is the Alt key plus the Shift key plus the arrow up or arrow down, depending on how you want to rearrange them. And for the purpose of this video, we'll be making use of this. Here are a list of names and their scores. Now I want to rearrange them according to the scores, like from the highest to the lowest. Let's get right into it. Now highlight on the one you want to use first. Highlight on the this is the first, the highest here is Marcello and then Meredith. So you click on them, highlight on it, and then use your Alt plus Shift key and then the arrow up to move it to the top. Easy peasy. Now the next highest is Victor, is Marcello. Then come here, highlight on it, hold your Alt key plus your Shift key and use the arrow up picture key to move it up. Then the next is Benson Blitz. This one is already there, followed by Victor Moses. Then highlight, hold your Alt key plus your Shift key, use your arrow up key. So, as you can see, easy. Let's go over it again. To rearrange your content in your presentation in PowerPoint, use your highlight on the letters or the numbers, hold down your Alt key plus your Shift key and use the arrow up or arrow down to move it to the directions you want.
And there you have it. Easy, right? So enjoy Multiflex. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video next time. Bye.